If you want snacks that are healthy, that we're choosing the right ripeness, no sugar added, no artificial sweeteners, and also good texture, then stay with me in this video. This is the mango flavor. It is very delicious. So this is how it looks. Look at the texture, and that's what I said. It was chosen at the right ripeness. So this is, I'm gonna try it in the camera, and I can say it tastes delicious, and it feels natural and clean. The flavor is delicious, and also what I like about this fruit, it has plenty for you to grab pieces and put it on oatmeal, put it on yogurt, and let's stay with me because we're gonna try a different flavor. Right now we have pineapple. This is great if you're going in the car, if you're going just to work. This is great to grab right out of the bag. Put it on the desk for the children right after school or to complement the school lunches. It's delicious. It's just delicious. This is amazing. I am very happy with the texture. It's chewy and it's fruit. I like the ingredients and I like the quality of the brand. Let's go to the next flavor. Okay, so we got to one of my favorites. It is passion fruit. So this one is very good. I like it because it's soft without being too mushy. And also, if you have a party, you can grab a bag of this or just all the flavors, cut them into pieces and add it to those trays. So your guests are going to be in love with this flavor, especially this one. This one, I love it because it has that middle between the acidic taste of the passion fruit and the sweet. It's amazing. Trust me, you won't regret the passion fruit. It's really, really good. And personally, it's one of my favorite fruits. So if you have a preference for mango or pineapple or this one, definitely you have to try it. And let's go to the next one. This is amazing. Last but not least, this is the mixed fruit. And I like it because it has a great variety. Each piece holds its own flavor. So for example, this one is like the mango. Delicious because it's chewy, no stringy, natural sweet, tropical flavor. Definitely, I will suggest buy all of them. They're all good and they're great. Thank you for watching my video.